Hey there everyone, welcome to our guide on aging whiskey at home. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of whiskey aging. Now, aging is a crucial part of whiskey production where the magic really happens. The basics of whiskey aging coming up next. So let's start with the basics. Oak plays a huge role in flavor development. During the aging process, several chemical reactions occur, transforming the whiskey's taste, aroma, and texture. Now, commercial aging and home aging do have their differences, but both can yield some pretty amazing results. Stick around as we explore the methods for home aging. All right, let's talk about one popular method for home aging, the oak chips method. Using oak chips is a fantastic way to age your whiskey at home. You'd want to use around 20 to 30 grams of oak chips per quart of whiskey. For the best results, let it age for about 2 to 4 months. It's a simple yet effective method to enhance your whiskey's flavor profile. All right, let's dive into the mini barrel method. Using small oak barrels can really accelerate the aging process of your whiskey. First, you'll need to prepare the barrel by seasoning it with water and sherry. This step is crucial as it helps to prime the wood and infuse some initial flavors. Now, the size of the barrel matters a lot. Smaller barrels have a higher surface area to volume ratio, which means the whiskey will age faster. However, you need to be cautious about potential over-oaking. If left too long, the whiskey can become overly woody and lose its balance. Now let's talk about some tips and tricks for monitoring and sampling your whiskey. It's essential to keep a close eye on the aging process to ensure you're getting the desired flavors. I recommend checking your whiskey every 1 to 2 weeks. This way you can track its progress and make adjustments if needed. When it comes to tasting, it's a good idea to dilute your samples to 40% ABV. This helps to open up the flavors and gives you a better sense of how the final product will taste. So, let's talk about where to store your aging vessel. We recommend placing it in a cool, damp place. You see, the temperature plays a crucial role in the aging process. Higher temperatures can speed up the aging, but they might also lead to harsher flavors. On the other hand, cooler temperatures slow things down, allowing for a more refined and smoother whiskey. Now, let's discuss oxidation. Allowing some air exposure is actually important for developing complex flavors in your whiskey. You can achieve this by using methods like coffee filters or even loose corks. These methods help control the amount of air that interacts with your whiskey, ensuring a balanced oxidation process. All right, we're almost at the end, but let's not forget the finishing touches. Filtering your whiskey to remove any sediment is essential for a clean final product. You can use various filtering methods to achieve this. Additionally, if you find your whiskey a bit harsh, you can smooth it out using options like glycerin. This can help in rounding off the edges and giving your whiskey a more polished taste. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points about aging whiskey at home. Remember, the environment, oxidation, and finishing touches all play vital roles in the process. And of course, the quality of the oak you use is paramount. For the best results in your home whiskey aging journey, it's crucial to use high-quality oak. That's why we recommend visiting barrelswood.com. We offer a wide selection of premium oak casks, perfect for aging your homemade whiskey. Our casks are crafted from the finest Canadian oak, ensuring optimal flavor development. Visit our website now to elevate your whiskey aging experience.